So let me go here.
Y'all. I need to fix my.
This boy's a hand, right?
Right? This boy's a hand, right?
This boy's a hand, man.
You can't see us. Putting this. Wait. Let me block the light. Block the light. Blocking the light.
This boy's a hand, man.
He hating.
He over here hating, dog.
Because I'm talking to my friend Devin, my best friend ever.
Man,
my sister,
this junk is
Devin.
crazy, man. This
He
junk
mad
is
because
crazy.
I'm not talking to him. But when I be trying to talk to him, you know, he
don't want to talk.
talk to his sister.
I don't get
I mean, like, I'm not gonna be rude. I ain't gonna get mad about it and like cut him off when he talking to his sister.
He on the phone right now. He trying to go hard. He trying to go hard.
I'm gonna put him on speakerphone, all right, so y'all can hear him.
Sit up there talking to your background. And
See, look, you hear him? You hear him?
And looking at videos on YouTube.
But look,
and
see, he's saying for no
Now, so y'all can hear me. Look, but look, he the one that's in there watching stuff on whatever he watches, some junk that's not even funny. It's not funny at all. And he is just dying laughing at it. And I'm trying to have a conversation with him. I'm trying to tell him I love him and junk, and he like, oh, I can't see you. And
so then he gonna start being mean to me.
He
Like,
starts singing, and I'm like, wow, like he just so cut me off. So I'm just being nice. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm gonna let him do whatever he wanna do. I still can hear him. Y'all can't, but I can. It's making me mad. And let me turn my volume down.
I thought you was TJ. I almost got happy, y'all. I thought that was TJ.
Okay, my volume is like.
Hey, y'all. TJ is so fine. TJ is this fine Mexican, right?
We stopping the video now.